Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday, and I've got the Insta360 Ace Pro here, and today we're going to be showing you how to format the memory card on your camera. This will wipe out all the footage that you've taken with your GoPro, giving you a fresh start so that you're ready to go on your next adventure. So let's go ahead and dive right into formatting the memory card on your Insta360 Ace Pro. So the first thing I want to mention is when formatting your memory card here on the Insta360 Ace Pro, all of your footage will be deleted and you can't recover it. So make sure that all of your footage is backed up before you format your memory card. Now, to format your memory card from the main screen here, we're going to swipe down from the top and then we're going to swipe from right to left just like that. And you should see the little settings icon here in the corner. We can go ahead and select that. Now, once that's opened up, we're going to go ahead and go right down to the very bottom here, or near the bottom where you see SD card. We can go ahead and select that. And you'll see the option here that says format SD card. Let's go ahead and tap that. It's going to give you a warning here, delete all files and format your SD card. You do need to confirm it there. So again, make sure everything is backed up. We'll go ahead and hit confirm. It's going to say formatting your SD card. Format successful, and this could take a little bit longer depending on how much footage is on there, and it's already done for myself. And now when we go back out to our main screen, we can look and there are no files or videos on our memory card. And it's that simple to format your memory card here on your Insta360 Ace Pro.